Hi guys, today we are going to learn how can we fix error while deleting and saving our contacts in our Android phone. So guys, it's so simple. Let's get started our video. First of all, you have to open your contacts like this, then select the one that you want to delete or save in your Android phone. So that's so simple. It has the same process to delete or saving the contact number in your contacts in Android phone. So click on the three dots at the top left corner of the page, then select delete contacts. You will find here two options, cancel and delete. While delete, you find here the error while deleting or saving the contacts. Left of the page, you will find here app settings. Click on it and find here contacts like this. You will find here the different options. Select the storage and the cache, and you will find here the two options at the bottom, clear storage and clear cache. Click on the clear cache and then go back at your contacts and select the one that you want to delete again, like I am selecting this one. Then click on the three dots and delete contacts and simply click on the delete. So your contact deleted successfully. Similarly, while saving your contacts, you have to do the same process, going in the app management and give their settings that I have already explained previously. While saving the contacts, you have to click on the contact that you want to save in your Android phone. You have to click on the edit option here, click on it and then give its name that you want to give. Like I am writing here a client, then save. Yes, your contact is successfully saved. Go back and check that your contact has been saved or not. So you can see here I have saved my client number successfully. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more such informative and useful videos. Thank you for watching.